Project number 3, lesson number 2, setting up your score. Once you are in Google Classroom and you're in your classwork section, you will look for the title Project number 3, Intro to Chords in the Key of C Major. Look for the project link. It will say flat Project number 3 when you are ready to start working on your score. Remember, you should watch all the lessons before you begin to work on the project so that you know all the components that are necessary to complete it. Okay. Once you open that up, just as a reminder, all of your lessons are here. You can click on that and review all of your lessons for all of the projects. Click to open up that link for the flat project. Give it a few seconds to open up. Once your new private score pops up, you can double click in there or triple click. There we go. And you're going to change the title to Intro to Chords in the Key of C. Okay? You can put C major, you can spell out the word major if you like, but Intro to the Chords in the Key of C is fine, and then hit continue. Once you hit continue, it's going to pop up a menu so that you can set up your instruments. We're going to use keyboards. Click on keyboards, another drop down will open up. Go down to grand piano, select grand piano, move over to the other side of the screen. Make sure that it says grand piano here and your title is all set, and then you'll go down and click on create. Give it a few seconds to create and build the beginnings of your score. Okay. Once your title pops up and your beginnings of your score, you can go ahead and click on that title once, and under the composer you're going to put your name. Don't put my name, put your name. Okay, for the purpose of this lesson, I'm just going to put in lesson number 2 so that those of you that are reviewing this will know which lesson that you're looking at. Okay, setting up your score. Okay, and make sure you click on save. Give it a few seconds and you should see the changes pop up on your screen. Your name should be there. Again, you do not have to put this here. That is just for the purpose of you watching this lesson so that you know which lesson you're looking at. All right, let's get into it. Really simple. So the next thing that you want to do is go up to the layout settings, which is right next to the printer. Click on it one time to open up your layout and styles, and go down to your note heads. Click on your note heads, and under note heads you're going to select note names. You'll know that it's selected when you see the highlight or the line darken around it, and it gives you a preview, but because we don't have any notes in yet on our score, it's not showing that the note names are there. But as long as this is selected, and you make sure you click on save, and in addition to that you scroll down from the next screen and click done. And once you've done that, then your note heads should populate once you start putting notes in, which we'll start doing in lesson number 3. Okay, so let's finish setting up our score. You're going to need 4 measures for this. So you're going to go up to your menu where it says measures, click on measures. Go here where it has the plus sign, and you're going to insert 1, 2, 3 more measures. So you should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 measures. Now remember, this little bulb here is your highlight. Okay, that little bulb there, or teardrop, whatever you want to call it. Now that highlight is in the first measure, so I want to start populating my repeat signs. I need a beginning repeat sign in this measure, and I need an ending repeat sign in the 4th measure. So I'm going to stay here. I'm already in the measure menu And we're going to just go here. We're going to click the left repeat sign, and there it is. It populates the repeat sign that you'll see by the dots, okay, in the treble and the bass staff. Now, you can use your laptop and simply move your right arrow over to the last measure, or you can just click in the last measure, or if you have a touch screen, you can just tap into the last measure to put your highlight in the fourth measure. And now that the highlight is in the fourth measure, we can go ahead and put in our ending or the right repeat sign. So we're going to click on that, and now you'll see that the dots are there. Okay, and that's it for setting up your score. Your score is now set up and ready to go. Remember to put your highlight back in the first measure at the beginning and the start of lesson number 3, building your chords.